Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 4.2 reading works of art from standard 9th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 4.2 रीडिंग वर्क्स ऑफ आर्ट या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Spot the error in the spelling of the following words with reference to the passage and rewrite them correctly. मित्रांनो, पाठातील उतार्याच्या संदर्भात खाली दिलेल्या शब्दांच्या स्पेलिंग मधील त्रुटी म्हणजेच चुका शोधा व ते शब्द बरोबर करून पुन्हा लिहा. मित्रांनो, या प्रश्नाचे आपण डायरेक्ट उत्तर पाहणार आहोत. आन्सर: रिनाउंड, फीचर्स, ट्रायबल, जिओमेट्रिकल, फिगर्स, मायथॉलॉजी, पेंटिंग, इनर, अर्थन, सर्कल्स, विलेज, मीडियम, अचीविंग, डिसाइडेड and different. Next question. Question number 2. Complete the following diagram. खालील आकृती पूर्ण करा. Characteristic features of Raja's painting. रजा यांच्या चित्रकलेची वैशिष्ट्ये. Answer: simple geometric shapes, striking color combinations, captivating compositions, and colors blue and orange. Next question. Question number 3. Complete the following sentences with reference to the passage. मित्रांनो, उत्तराच्या संदर्भाने खालील वाक्ये पूर्ण करा. Answer: A. Raja's paintings do not depict lifelike or copies of scenes. B. Raja's paintings are done in the abstract style. C. Raja's paintings are not inspired by any external factor. D. Raja's paintings present images from his own inner mind. E. Raja's paintings radiate peace. F. The bindu or point became the core of Raja's painting. And G. For an artist like Raja, his work or paintings are an effective medium of communication. Next question. Question number 4. Read the passage on Gond art carefully. Gond art वरील उतारा काळजीपूर्वक वाचा. Then complete the following sentences without going back to the passage. व त्यानंतर उताराकडे न जाता खालील वाक्ये पूर्ण करा. Answer: Gond art is a tribal art. The Gondi language is similar to Telugu, a Dravidian language. Originally, people used to draw pictures on the earthen walls of their houses. In folk arts, you yourself prepare the canvas, the surface on which to draw, and the colors with which you draw. Next question. Question number 5. Write about the following important features of Gond art with the help of the passage. मित्रांनो, उताराच्या सहाय्याने गोंड कलेच्या खालील वैशिष्ट्याविषयी माहिती लिहा. 1. Developed and preserved by. Answer: the Gond tribal people residing largely in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha in India. 2. A medium of. Answer: it is a medium of expressing, recording and preserving what is seen. 3. Preparing the canvas. Medium. Answer: it is the surface on which the painting is drawn. In the past, people used to draw pictures on earthen walls of their homes itself. 4. Preparing colors. Answer: in the days of the past, several things in nature, such as soils of different shades, the juice of plants, leaves, tree bark, flowers, fruits, coal and cow dung were used to prepare colors. Next, 5 outlines. Answer: in the Gond style of art, the designs may vary a little from artist to artist, but the designs that fill it make the whole picture look lively and attractive. 6. Variation in drawing. The colors, textures and patterns usually in drawing vary from painting to painting. 7. Texture designs. Answer: the designs include textures achieved using dots, straight lines, dotted lines, curvy shapes and circles. Next question. Question number 6. Why does the author think that the roots of folk art lie in women's chores? लोककलांची मुळे स्त्रियांच्या दैनंदिन कामात आहेत असे लेखकाला का वाटते? Answer: the roots of the folk arts probably lie in women's daily chores like cleaning and decorating the house, dealing with natural colors in the course of cooking, and in their leisure time activities. Next question. Question number 7. From the passages, list the words related to. उत्तरामधून खालील शब्दांशी संबंधित शब्द लिहा. A. Geometry. Answer: lines, dots, circles, triangles, squares, rectangles. B. Colors. Answer: blue, orange, paint, shades, coal, striking and abstract. C. Designs. Answer: scenes, abstract, human figures and bindu. Next question. Question number 8. These two passages are examples of a short introduction to works of art. A short review. मित्रांनो, या पाठातील शेवटचे 2 उतारे काही कलाकृतींचा थोडक्यात आढावा घेतात. They cover the following points आणि त्यामध्ये खालील मुद्द्यांचा समावेश होतो. The name of the creator, the theme or subject matter, type of art, individual style, presentation techniques, its effect on viewers, message or interpretation. Next question. What points will you include if you had to review a book or film or a play? List the points. मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला एखाद्या पुस्तकाचे, चित्रपटाचे किंवा नाटकाचे परीक्षण करायचे झाल्यास तुम्ही कोणत्या मुद्द्यांचा समावेश कराल त्याची यादी तयार करा. Answer: I would like to include the following points. 1. Name of the creator. 2. The theme. 3. The characters in the book. 4. Presentation techniques. 5. Style of narration. And 6. Message. Next question. Choose a book or film and review it in short using the points you have listed. मित्रांनो, एखादे पुस्तक किंवा चित्रपट निवडा आणि तुम्ही यादी केलेल्या मुद्द्यांचा वापर करून त्याचे परीक्षण करा. Answer: book name श्यामची आई. श्यामची आई is an autobiography of social reformer Pandurang Sadashiv Khan Koje, known as Sane Guruji. The book is in Marathi language. There are 2 main characters in the story, Sham and his mother Yashoda. The story revolves Sham and his relationship with his mother. The bond of love between Sham and his mother is incomparable. Mother teaches Sham to preserve great moral values of our culture during the bad days. Simple emotional incidents are used by the author in a very touching language to show mother's love and upbringing of Sham. The narration is very simple and involves readers in the setting smoothly. It was most popular novel and was equally loved by children and parents. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 4.2 रीडिंग वर्क्स ऑफ आर्ट या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.